We'll guide you through how to animate tails in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Alight Motion app on your device. Once the app has loaded, press Create New Project in the middle of the screen. Set your project settings according to your needs. When everything is ready, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the project, press the plus button and import the tail image that you want to animate. After the image has been added to the timeline, select the tail layer so you can begin adjusting it. Next, open the Transform option. Locate the pivot point setting and move the pivot point to the bottom of the tail image. Positioning the pivot point at the bottom is important because it allows the tail to bend and move naturally from its base instead of rotating from the center. After setting the pivot point, open the Effect browser and search for the bend effect. Once you find it, apply the effect to the tail layer. After the effect has been added, open the bend effect settings within the layer. Now turn on the angle keyframe option. Begin adding keyframes throughout the timeline. According to the setup, place a new keyframe every 10 frames or more. Continue adding keyframes until you reach the end of your footage. Once all the keyframes are in place, go back to the first keyframe and set the angle value to 35. Then move to the second keyframe and set the angle value to -35. Continue through the remaining keyframes while alternating between 35 and -35. Continue adjusting the settings until you find an amount that matches the style you are trying to create. You can preview the animation while adjusting the values to see how the text behaves. Keep modifying the flicker amount until the effect looks natural and fits your project. The text will repeatedly flicker according to the values you selected. After completing these steps and adjusting the flicker effect settings, you have successfully added a flicker effect to your text in Alight Motion.